Struggling with mid-morning cravings, low energy, or difficulty focusing after breakfast? You're not alone. The problem might be simpler than you think. It could come down to your protein intake. Welcome to today's discussion on why incorporating high-protein breakfasts into your daily routine can be a true game changer for your health, energy, and overall productivity. Unlike carbohydrates, proteins digest more slowly, keeping you feeling full for longer periods and significantly reducing those mid-morning snack cravings. But that's not all. Protein plays a vital role in muscle growth and recovery, which is especially important if you're active or looking to maintain strength as you age. A protein-rich breakfast also helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes and mood swings that can throw off your day. So what should you eat for a high-protein breakfast? Here are some excellent options. Eggs. They're versatile and packed with quality protein. Greek yogurt, rich in protein and also contains probiotics for gut health. Cottage cheese, a slow-digesting protein source that pairs well with fruit. Oats, especially when topped with nuts, seeds, or even a scoop of protein powder. Need some ideas to get started? Try scrambled eggs with spinach, a Greek yogurt parfait with fresh fruit, or overnight oats topped with almond butter and chia seeds. And if weight management is part of your goals, protein can be your best ally. It reduces hunger hormones and keeps you feeling satisfied longer. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more health insights, and let us know in the comments below.